In this video, I want to talk about how you can make an indicator inside of TradingView. Now, if you want to make an indicator, you need to know how to code. So you need to be able to make a script, otherwise you cannot do this. But what you want to do is open up any super chart. Inside of here, at the bottom, you should see one called Pine Editor. Now, let me just quickly drag this up a little bit. In here, what you want to do is you want to code your indicator. Now you can use AI to do this, but if you know how to do it, that's going to be much easier. Or if your friend or someone you know knows it, then you can do it that way. You simply want to paste the code in here, add to chart, and then you will see it on the chart. Once it's done, you can publish it if you want to, and that is basically how you can make an indicator. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.